Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share you an effective yoga mudra for thyroid problems. If you do this mudra in the right way, then your thyroid will be cured. So without wasting the time, let's start the video. The thyroid gland is called Vishnu grandhi. It is formed by the space element, which is one of the Panchabhutas, that is 5 elements. This Vishnu grandhi plays a sthiti karak role in our body, which means it controls the entire human body. But nowadays, we are damaging this Vishnu grandhi by the so-called Western, civilized and modern lifestyle. Okay, whatever, but how can we cure the thyroid problem? And the solution is by following a healthy lifestyle, natural medicine and yoga. And talking about yoga, this yoga mudra I'm going to show you is very powerful to treat this thyroid problem. And to practice this mudra, sit on the floor facing east to side direction, either in Sukhasana or in Padmasana. And if you can't sit on the floor, then you can sit in a chair and do this mudra. And once you settle down in a comfortable position, now put your back straight and then stretch arms straight and place them on your knees like I'm sitting here. And now bend your ring and little finger like this. And put the thumb finger on top of the ring and little finger like this. And if you see the mudra looks like this, now close your eyes and inhale and do the sound called hum. And now again inhale and do the sound hum. This sound is called humka, just like omkar sound. And once you did this mudra for 10 minutes, then release your fingers slowly and relax. You can practice this mudra twice a day on empty stomach for the best results. When you start practicing this mudra, you will surely get mind-blowing results. This mudra is so effective to treat thyroid. No matter if it is hypothyroid or hyperthyroid, can be any thyroid can be cured. So do practice this mudra and see the best results. And also, this mudra doesn't cause any side effects, but if you see any, then stop practicing this. I hope this video helps you, and if you want any more information about this video, then please check the description box below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!